Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Handmade by Ying with Donna. Today is month 9 of the legit kits and I'm working week 35. So let's get sewing. So what I've done is I've got everything laid out. I've went ahead and took the liberty to join my week for this week, as you're going to be getting 2 pieces moving forward for the rest of the quilt. So that makes it a lot nicer to have everything just coming along nice and smooth. So this one here, there's quite a bit of pieces, so let me give you the look-see of it. Let me get my strings out the way. You're going to be joining this intersection. When you do, make sure that you're pinning there. You're going to pin at both of these really tighty, as well as this, because you really want everything to line up. Now where this burgundy's coming up, or wine color I should say, that's going to be lost in the seam allowance and it's going to stop right there. So visualize, because someone will ask me, when this is joined together, you're going to be able to, this is my 1/4 of an inch, you're going to see that comes out perfect. And it does all the way along. So I think this looks really so stinking pretty. So this week is now complete and I'll set it aside, and next time you see me, we'll be working on the following week and we'll wrap this month up. So take care, God bless, and I'll see you back then.